Imagine you're working on a project and you encounter a problem with your code. The problem in this case involves updating Boost version to 1.86, which results in an error when constructing boost.json value objects. Your code, which used to work perfectly fine with Boost version 1.79, now throws errors with the new version. Frustrating, right? Moving on to the solution, the key lies in handling the conversion of a container, like obj.pdfOids, to a JSON value. By utilizing the value underscore from function provided by boost.json, you can explicitly convert the container to a JSON value. This ensures that all elements in the container are handled correctly and prevents errors during the construction of the JSON object. It's a simple yet effective approach to tackle the issue at hand. Expanding on the solution, the updated code showcases how to properly structure the JSON object with the values retrieved from the appointment end object. By explicitly converting the pdfOids vector to a JSON value using the value underscore from function, you ensure that the resulting JSON object is properly formatted and free from any conversion errors. This approach simplifies the code and makes it more robust when handling complex data structures. In conclusion, encountering errors when upgrading dependencies is a common challenge in software development. By leveraging the value underscore from function provided by boost.json, you can efficiently handle container conversions and construct JSON objects without errors. Remember, a little tweak here and there can make a significant difference in the functionality of your code. So keep coding, keep learning, and until next time, happy coding! Subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite coding joke.